Y'all, my family is so blessed in so many ways. But I have two of the most wonderful ladies in my kitchen right now. And y'all are supposed to be down in the store working, aren't you?
My day off.
Oh, it's your day.
Yeah.
We have a day off today.
Yes.
We work tomorrow.
Y'all, these two ladies they're the heartbeat of the store. Renee, she is a salesman like I've never seen. I mean, she knows our products and she doesn't mind sharing how good they are. Now, Betsy, she got a nickname down there at the store that Renee gave her. And BB. Well, the second B is for Betsy.
But we won't say what.
You'll have to figure out what the first B is for. Because they say or Renee says she complains a lot.
That's
griping.
I
Griping.
have my days, Paula. I have my days.
But let me tell you, Betsy is the one that addresses what word am I looking for?
This way.
Merchandise.
Merchandise.
Yeah. I mean, she knows how to show our merchandise at its very best light. And I tell you what, you better not come in there and move something around. I think Eddie made that mistake today.
He does it.
Troy will come in there and move something and just wait for her to come upstairs.
And he does it on purpose.
And we had someone who used to do that to me all the time.
Now, see, I'm not moving. I'm just filling in spaces while you're out.
Oh, okay.
I'm just,
But these two ladies, I mean, they are truly a part of our family.
We are the ones that are lucky to be in your room.
Can
love working for you.
Can I say something?
Please say something.
I just wanted to let you know that this is such an honor for me to be in this kitchen with the queen of Southern cuisine.
Oh,
Is an honor.
I just love you girls. I
Well,
love y'all
me
so
too.
much.
Love
And
you
y'all
too.
can't think about retirement. We ain't gonna think about retirement. One day Renee said, I'm getting ready to retire. I said, oh no, you're not.
And she keeps saying that. And I said, what will you do with yourself?
That's right. Should be miserable.
I can't. I am
I
not.
love my job. I can't quit it.
I
I
can't.
really do. I love it's
Thank
the
you,
best place to
Renee.
work in the world. So
Yes.
we have so much fun.
We did.
I know we do have fun. And some of the most wonderful people in the world work through those doors.
Yes, they do.
And they compliment us all the time for the
Yes.
fun that we do have
Yes.
and how well we
Yes.
get along.
Yes. Yes. And people can feel. Strangers can come in there and
Yes.
they can feel
Yeah.
whether it is tension or not.
And they interact with us too.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
All right. So we are in the 12 days of Christmas cookies, and I asked Betsy to come in and make her favorite Christmas cookie. So,
Well, actually, it's an old family recipe, but it is my favorite cookie. Doesn't
Okay.
matter what time of the year
Okay.
it is.
well, I'm going to be your sous chef.
Okay.
So I'm going to do whatever you tell me to do.
You want to beat that up?
I sure do. Now, are these in the right holes? Yes.
Okay.
All right. So tell everybody.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to have to
I
be there
will.
and turn it off.
You're beating 2 sticks of butter.
Uh-huh.
This recipe is called 100 Good Cookies, and it does make 100 cookies.
You know I'm going to count them.
Yeah, and I have. Yes. So that's
It's
the
a lot of
recipe.
ingredients.
It's
So you
a
got
lot.
brown sugar, white sugar, all, is that all? An
Yeah.
egg, vanilla flavoring, flour,
Flour,
baking
There's
powder, soda, salt,
coconut,
coconut, oatmeal,
Rice Krispies,
snap, crackle,
Nap,
and
Crackle,
pop,
and Pop, and
nuts.
nuts and chocolate chips.
Okay. All right.
Eat.
So you want me to just beat your sugar with
Right,
your
all
butter?
that.
Okay.
There you go. It's
Dump me,
fine.
dump.
I'm dumping.
All right, tell me what to do.
Egg and oil.
Okay.
All right. You oil.
All right, why don't you take over this?
All righty.
And I'll do this.
I can do
Since
that.
I'm near the ingredients.
There you go.
Help me to slowly do that.
Yep, that's good.
Okay. And now I'm going to
Vanilla.
add your tablespoon of vanilla
Okay.
extract.
Very good.
I'll make it. Look at that.
Oh, perfect. Look at that.
Perfect.
Oh my God.
Got a dead soldier be ready.
Got to make some more soon.
Yep. All right, now I'm going to take all the dry ingredients and whisk them together.
That is a perfect idea.
Oh.
And then
Oh, that reminds me of that. That was on Oprah,
we
and the
just
mixer was running, and I dropped this bowl into that running mixer. Oh, it was just awful.
I think I remember you doing that.
I did it. All right, do we have a whisk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, watch your soup in. Here we go. Just gonna whisk that all together. And then I'm assuming that we slowly add the flour and then stir in
and
all
then
this
stir
other.
in the
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You know, basically cookies are the same. You know,
Uh-huh.
the same procedure.
Just different flavors.
Uh-huh. That's right. And you just tell me when you want more.
More.
Oh, gotcha.
Now,
All right.
all the
Shut
other
it
stuff,
down.
you just stir it up.
Okay. Does it matter?
No.
Should I give it
Doesn't
time
matter.
or?
Nope.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This whole
Okay.
bag.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is an oatmeal chocolate cereal.
Whatever.
Right?
100
It's
good cookies.
like everything but the kitchen sinks in this, y'all.
I had one of my favorite aunts was Quentin Baker, and I
Uh-huh.
think that's who I take after anyway. But anyway, she made lived out in Colorado, and she made these cookies and brought them home, which came for a visit one time, and I was just maybe 10 or 12. I don't even remember.
Just a couple of years ago.
Oh my God! Oh, yeah, a couple of years ago. Couple of hundred years ago. Anyway,
You
so
may
it's
need that
been one of my
spatula in a while, so I'm gonna leave it out. But I'm gonna
okay.
put all this
I
other
think we're
stuff.
ready.
Okie doke.
All right.
Now, what do you use to?
It says roll them in a ball.
Yeah.
But sometimes I do. Sometimes that's too much. Yeah. So
Too
we're
much
just
trouble.
going to use a teaspoon.
Okay. I tell everybody it's so very important that all of your cookies be the same size. Because if you get a big one and a little one, well,
I
one's
think that's too big.
you think that's too big.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it. Let me spray it so
Okay.
it'll come out
Okay.
easy for us. Yeah, and you can look at it and see because
We're,
we
sh-
want 100.
we're shooting for 100 cookies. Yeah.
Yeah. We
Well,
want
that's all right. Yeah, I know. But they're
So
going to
show me about how big. And you can scoop that, you can level it like that, or you can do a keeping. So since this is your
Let's see.
cookie,
Let's see.
what does that look like?
That looks like a tablespoon, doesn't it?
All right, what are you supposed to be doing?
Well,
It says drop by 1
Tablespoon.
tablespoon. That's
How
a
about
tablespoon.
let's see.
How about this
Yeah, so
size?
you evened it off.
That's a smaller one.
Oh,
Okay.
you like that one better?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let me spray.
Then that way we will.
Baby,
Then
let
we
me
will-
spray it.
Then we will have 100 good cookies.
Okay, there you go.
All right.
And I'm gonna go take a nap.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Because it's going to take a while to get 100 cookies, y'all.
Well, we're not. Gonna do it.
Might want to call in a friend. Now, y'all, Betsy said one of the most important things about these cookies is that you mash them down.
Use your finger or a fork,
Yes,
but it's easier to use your finger.
it is. And if you don't want to get stuff all over you, just keep your flour there and dip your fingers in
Right.
it. And
Right.
it'll keep your fingers from getting goopy.
Right.
But these are the perfect size that you have built up. Like person.
I do know what I'm doing sometimes.
You do know what you're doing, honey. So far, y'all, we've got 55 cookies. And we got this much dough left.
Plenty
So
more.
I'm saying we got more than 100. Probably. Which is good. Right? So you approve?
I do.
You like it, Renee?
I love it.
Teresa, you got one? You guess she's chewing right now. She's trying to speak.
I'm gonna give you a premium off the Georgia couple.
Oh, good. Good. Thank you. Eddie,
It's good.
is it a thumbs up for
Yes.
you?
Hmm.
Well, where's your thumb?
Very good.
His
It was
thumb,
wrapped around his cookie.
yeah, his thumb was occupied. Very good.
Mm. Very good. So good, Betsy.
Mm-hmm.
And I love the fact that it makes so many.
Yeah.
And I think
Yeah,
there'll be a
more.
lot of people like me,
Mhm.
that want to take a little something with a neighbor.
Yep.
Mm. Mm.
Good. Good.
I love
Thank
you,
you.
girls.
Love you too.
Loving best dishes to all of y'all. Number 8 is on the way.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.